Hello students, welcome to English language class. I am Momita Dua. In today's video, I am going to discuss about singular to plural rules. Already we know we can change singular to plural which nouns uh, uh, that nouns which we can count. That means countable nouns we can change singular to plural. There are two types of nouns here, regular and irregular. That means in cases where we from singular to plural, where we add s or es, in that case it is called regular noun, plural nouns. And irregular plural nouns means we don't add s or es. So what we add, we know these. For example, knife, knives. At end there is fe, so that's why in plural form we have to use ves. Tooth becomes teeth. Interchange. So like that. So that means where we don't use from singular to plural, we don't use s or es. We have to add ies. For example, puppy, puppies, knife, knives. So in that case, it will be irregular plural nouns. So let's get started for closer explanation. First one, plural nouns. We already know that a noun is a word used to name person, place, thing, idea, and when it is denotes only one, that is singular, and when it denotes more than one, in that case we have to say it is plural. So let's start first point of first rule of changing singular to plural noun. This is very general rule of regular. It is also regular because we add singular to plural, we add s, so it is a regular noun, plural noun forms. So first one, that is by adding s. By adding s, this is general rule. Look at here, singular. In singular, first one, cur. So we add s only, curs. Dog, dogs. Book, books. House, houses. And apple, apples. Not only 5 nouns are there, except 5 also more nouns are there. There we only add s. Okay. So it's not possible to give all nouns. Next one, next point, next rules. Ends in the nouns that ends in s, ch, sh, x, ss or z. On that case, we add what? We add es. Okay. So for example, first one, and the noun ends in s. Look at here, first example, that is bus. Bus is ends in s, and we add in plural form es. Okay. Then ch. Match. At the end of this word, there is ch, and in plural form it will be es. Matches. This. At the end of this noun, there is sh, and in plural form we have to add es. Dishes. Then box. At the end of this noun, there is x, and in plural form it will be boxes. Es. Then truss. truss. At the end of these nouns, ss, and in plural form we have to change trusses. Then z. At the end of the word there is bleached, blitz, bleached. So it will be plural form, bleaches. So students, it's not possible to say each and every word meaning. It's not possible. If you don't know any meaning of this any noun, ask me in comment box. Okay. Okay, then third rule. Third rule is ends in s or z, and on that case add double s or z, and also we add es. So that nouns that ends in s. For example, look at the second example, gas and s, and when we change into plural on that time it will be double s. So and also add es. Look at there, gas, already there is s is there, and when we change into plural form on that time it will be double s and also es, gases. And also like same, phase, f-e-z, and in plural form it will be phases. Then the point number 4, the nouns that ends in ff or f, and on that case we add also s. Look at their first example. First four examples, their ends ff, and then the rest of the example there is given only ends f. Okay. Cliff, clips, ff, toff, tops, scoff, scoffs, sniff, snips, roof, roofs, chief, chips, off, offs, proof, proofs, gulf, gulps, riff, rips, brief, briefs, belief, beliefs, safe, safes. Okay. Again, I say, repeat, if anybody having any confusion about any meaning, you don't know the word meaning, ask me in comment box. Okay. Then point number 5, irregular plural. Already I said before, ends in f or fe. On that time, f and fe will be removed. Okay, will be removed, and also we add ves. Look at here, first example, leaf, ends in f will be removed, and we add ves. Look at there, leaf, but in plural form, lea, not f is removed, and there add ves. Look at, for your help, for the I already highlighted these letters in the given nouns. Then second one, wolf, wolves, life, lives, knife, knives, half, hobs, cough, coughs, loaf, loaves, wife, wives, self, selves, thief, thieves, yourself, yourselves. Okay. At home you have to find out of the same category of these nouns. Okay. After learning these rules. Then point number 6. Point number 6. Some words can have both ending ves or s. Look at there. So that ends in f, but we add both, either f and b. Either s or ves. Both we have to use. Both are correct. Scarf, scarf. Then s also, scarves and scarves. Both are correct. Dwarf, dwarf, dwarfs. It will be dwarves. Okay. In here it will be dwarves. Here add s. Dwarfs and dwarfs. Then dwarf, dwarfs. Here also same. Sorry for my mistake. Okay. So here also dwarf, verbs. Then handkerchief, handkerchiefs s and vs both, and hoops and hoops both will be correct. Then point number 7 ends in y. Before y, if it is consonant, y will be removed and we add ies. Look at here. Here also I have highlighted city ends y, and before y there is consonant t, and y will be removed, and in the place of y we have to add ies. So city, cities, city y, y will be removed, cities. Like this, puppy, puppies, lady, ladies, hobby, hobbies, lorry, lorries, family, families, fry, fries, memory, memories, story, stories. Okay. The next one, it is a regular because here we add is, that means the opposite rule of point number 7. Monkey, y adding y, but before y here is given vowel, e is vowel there, so only we add. In that case, this is exception. In that case we don't remove y, only at the end of the word we add is. Monkey, monkeys, turkey, turkeys, tray, trays, boy, boys, enjoy, enjoys, journey, journeys, valley, valleys. The next one also ends in o and we add es. Look at there, potato, tomato, eco, hero, buffalo, domino, mosquito and mango. All of there we add word es. Then here also ends in o and we add s. Like that, look at there, bamboo, bamboos, casino, casinos, dynamo, dynamos, photo, photos, radio, radios, piano, pianos, video, videos, zero, zeros, zoo, zoos. But these some also exception. Look at, follow the next rules. Ends in o, add either es or s. Both are correct. For example, look at here. Here 0 we add s. But if you change es, this also correct. Okay. So avocado, avocados. S, es. Both are correct. Buffalo, cargo, domino, hello, mosquito, tornado, 0. Okay, these both are correct. Either s or es. If you add anything, so both are correct. The next one, point number 12, end by ending their us. Sometimes it is adding I. Look at there, in there given, I have written there in singular in form us and plural in form I. So focus, focky, and focus is also correct. Radius, radii, or radius is also correct. Fungus, fungi, cactus, cacti, octopus, octopi, and octopuses both are correct. And nucleus, nuclei. Then point number 13, vowel change. In interchange, it's also called vowel change. OO, it becomes EE, and AN to EN. Look at there. OO, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. OO becomes EE, and man, AN. AN becomes EN. Man, men, woman, woman. Then irregular nouns that change substantially. Mouse, mice. Louse, lice. There is not specific rule. Die, dies. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Then irregular formation of nouns ending in is, it becomes to es. Look at there. Axis, access. Analysis, analyses. Crisis, crisis. Thesis, thesis. Then irregular formation of nouns ending on and it becomes to are. Phenomenal, phenomenon, O-N, and in plural it will be phenomena. Criterion, it will be plural form criteria. Then next, 17. Irregular formation of nouns ending in um, it becomes to change a. Datum, data, memorandum, memoranda, bacterium, bacteria, curriculum, it can be curricula or curriculums. Both are correct. Hyphenated nouns add s to the first word. So we add s into the first word. Parent-in-law, it will be parents-in-law. Father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Look at their hyphenated first word. We add there. Then daughter-in-law, it will be daughters-in-law. Then some words that cannot be changed. Always it will be same. Sheep, sheep, no changes. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. Species, species. Scissors, scissors, no changes. Shorts, shorts. Pant, pant, pants. Trousers, trousers. Jeans, jeans. News, news. Money, money. Series, series. So there we can't change anything. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep learning. If anybody having any confusion about any meaning, ask me in comment box. Thank you.